So the big picture for this lesson is the metric system. The metric system is the unit of measure for every country in the world except the United States. We have our own version here. And there are three different things you measure: length, mass, and capacity. Length is measured using meters. Mass is kilograms. And capacity is liters. So basically you're going to be converting from one measurement to another. Let me show you what you're going to be working with here. So there are different prefixes that you can add on to those measurements in order to change the amount of the measure. In other words, kilo means 1,000, so kilometer or kilometer is 1,000 meters. Kilogram, 1,000 grams. Kiloliter, 1,000 liters. Centi means 1/100th, so 1 centimeter is 1/100th of a meter. So now you're going smaller than a meter. And milli means 1/1000th. So just do one example. Let's say you want to know 5 meters equals, we don't know, centimeters. Well, we know that 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. So that means you can do a ratio 1 meter to 100 centimeters. And then what you can do is you can make a proportion, because it's 5 meters to we don't know, or x centimeters. These ratios are going to be the same. So then all you have to do is solve the proportion, and then you can figure it out. So cross multiply here. 1 times x is simply x, and then 100 times 5 equals 500. Are you solved already? Well, yes and no. Let's take a look at what happens if you use units when you multiply. 1 meter times x centimeters equals 5 meters times 100 centimeters. So if you simplify, you get 1 times x, or x, and then the units are meters times centimeter, equals 5 times 100 is 500, and then the units are meters, centimeters. So numerically, x equals 500, and you want to know how many centimeters. So theoretically, what you could do is divide by 1 meter. On both sides. And what that'll do is it will cancel out the meters here and here. So then you get x centimeters equals 500 centimeters. So either way, x equals 500, but I think this second way shows a little better understanding of how you can cancel out units. And it's important that you make sure that the units work as you're working on these. So really either method is correct, but I think the second method provides a little more confidence. That's the big picture.